we've got a little bit of a situation here in our road trip. My flip-flop got fucked. That's quite sucky situation in the trips like ours, and it won't stay there for long. As you see, it's now very bad. So we decided to do a little bit of recycling and teach you how. We take the top of the plastic bottle and cut a tube off. I pre-made it in advance to cut short the time. I also made a hole in the middle, as you can see, a hole in the middle, and a little cut through. Now I fixed back the strap of the flip-flop like this, and now I put the top of the plastic bottle with prepared hole and the cut in the middle on this thing and basically pull it back. I think this is it, and we all know the durability of the plastic bottles, so it's probably gonna last for many years ahead. And as you see, we still have fun.